Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Btrfs subvolumes on VPS with Snapper, complete guide step by step clearly. First, start by logging into your VPS via SSH. Ensure you have administrative privileges. Install Snapper if it is not already installed. You can do this by running the command sudo apt-get install snapper. Once installation is complete, create a Btrfs file system if you haven't done so already. Use the command sudo mkfs.btrfs/dev/sdx. Replace /dev/sdx with your actual device identifier. Next, mount the Btrfs file system to a directory of your choice. You can do this by using the command sudo mount /dev/sdx/mnt. Now, create a Btrfs subvolume within that mounted file system. Use the command sudo btrfs subvolume create /mnt/my_subvolume. Replace my_subvolume with your desired subvolume name. Initialize Snapper for the subvolume you just created. Run sudo snapper c myconfig create config /mnt/my_subvolume. This sets up Snapper to manage snapshots for your subvolume. Next, configure Snapper's settings according to your requirements. Edit the configuration file located at /etc/snapper/config/myconfig. Set your desired snapshot frequency and cleanup settings. To create an initial snapshot, use the command sudo snapper c myconfig create p. This creates a snapshot of the current state of the subvolume. To view existing snapshots, run sudo snapper c myconfig list. If you need to revert to a previous snapshot, use sudo snapper c myconfig undo snapshot_id. Replace snapshot_id with the ID of the snapshot you want to revert to. To automate snapshot creation, consider setting up a cron job. Edit the cron tab by running sudo cron tab e. Add a line to schedule the Snapper snapshot command. For instance, to create a snapshot every hour, add 0****/usr/bin/snapper c myconfig. Make sure to save and exit the cron tab editor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.